Good morning, welcome to Turn 2 on Wednesday the 12th of March. This is Kim Watson speaking for Easy Trader. Okay, looking at the euro dollar first, and yesterday we put in a new low. It looked like it was going to pull down some further. We did actually, I mentioned this sort of A, B, C movement. We've sort of completed that in terms of a one-to-one move from the size of this first wave to the third wave. It is an equal sort of basis. At the moment we've got this sort of downward trend going on this 4-hour basis. If we were to break the upper part of that trend, well, we could be heading back to 139 or even the highs themselves at just over 139. If it just carries on rolling down here, well, yesterday's lows here will provide some support into that weekly pivot there. If we could get a test off the 34 and a sort of combination of that sort of level, which may give some sort of stronger support. Failing that, coming down some further, looking at the 8-day moving average with the previous highs in terms of support. So there's the key support areas. Obviously there's the two resistance areas for now. In terms of direction, as I said, a possible move to the upside. When you look at the actual overall movement here, it just looks like that momentum may be just falling off a little bit in terms of the downside. Okay, looking at the pound dollar then. And yesterday we managed to run into the monthly pivot. We've had a bounce off that sort of area again. It may have been a completion of a move. Had a 5-wave move here, a 5-wave corrective move. If it can break the prior highs here, yesterday's highs, well, there is a chance we could push up at each level. Where there's plenty of resistance. We've got the 21 and then the 50, 34. 100, 34, 50. So at each point there's plenty of resistance, and I would be looking at a key sort of resistance point if it did get any sort of bounce of that 166.82 area. To the downside support sits really around the monthly pivot. Maybe if it breaks through, we could go down to that daily 34 at 165.80. So we're sort of trapped in between there at the moment. But this very short-term look here, it could be there's marginal divergence between these two lows. It may just want to have a bit more of a bounce. Okay, that's it for me. Hope you have a great day. No key news out on these markets today, so we are really down to the technicals. Bye for now.